Kaya hindi ko alam.
On behalf of the Water family, we will give you a happy birthday, sir.
Wow! That's a good surprise. Thank you, Blue Water. Thank you, Kuya. Thank you. Oh, naman!
Oh, blow.
Ang cute! This is a first na may birthday towel. Talagang
Very kind of him.
Yeah, no. What did you say, baby?
That was very kind of him.
I know.
Even though we didn't ask for it.
I know. He was so observant kasi
Narinig niya.
kasi we were talking a while ago. Sabi ko, nag-greet si Lourdes ng happy birthday. Oo. We should train our people like that din pag may naririnig sila. Tapos may ready birthday surprise kung ano man yan.
Birthday towel.
Diba? I mean, it's a gesture. It's nice. Natouch ako. Naiiyak ako. Charot. Hindi. Talagang, diba, kapag yung parang, I mean, diba, for me, that's special. Especially hotel to. Hindi naman kami nagsabi na nandito kami for a birthday. Tapos narinig lang nung staff. Tapos they made that effort. Parang nakakatuwa. Thank you, Blue Water Maribago. So, punta kayo dito. This is not sponsored. Pero nakakatuwa sila. Happy birthday!